Top 5 Best EDC Knife 2026. Discover the best products for your lifestyle. We've curated the top selections just for you. Number 5. Spyderco Tenacious 3.3-inch EDC Folding Knife. The Spyderco Tenacious 3.3-inch EDC folding knife stands out in the crowded field of everyday carry tools. Compared to similar knives, it delivers superior edge retention, ergonomic G10 handle grip, and Spyderco's signature round hole for smooth, one-handed opening. Built with 8cr13 MOV steel, it balances durability and ease of sharpening, ideal for daily tasks. Whether you're in tools and home improvement or industrial and scientific fields, this reliable blade excels. Use your keyboard's up or down arrows to explore comparable models and see why the Tenacious outperforms the competition. Trusted by professionals and enthusiasts alike, it's the smart choice for a dependable, high-performance EDC knife that won't let you down when it matters most. Number 4. Smith & Wesson SWA 24S Extreme Ops Folding Knife. The Smith & Wesson SWA 24S Extreme Ops Folding Knife stands out among similar tactical blades with its rugged 400 series stainless steel blade and secure liner lock design. Built for durability and precision, it outperforms competitors in edge retention and reliability. Ideal for outdoor enthusiasts, first responders, or everyday carry, this knife features an ergonomic handle for superior grip and quick one-handed deployment. Whether you're comparing features or navigating product details using your keyboard's up or down arrows, the SWA 24S consistently rises to the top. Part of the trusted Extreme Ops line, it's a must-have in tools and home improvement. Backed by Smith & Wesson's legacy of quality, this folding knife delivers unmatched performance when it matters most. Number 3. Kershaw Brawler 3-inch Assisted Tanto EDC Knife. The Kershaw Brawler 3-inch Assisted Tanto EDC knife delivers rugged performance in a compact design. Featuring a fast, reliable assisted opening mechanism and a sharp Tanto blade, it outperforms similar budget EDC knives with superior build quality and Kershaw's trusted craftsmanship. Ideal for everyday carry, it excels in durability and precision cutting. Compare with similar items using your keyboard's up or down arrows to see why the Brawler stands out. Whether you're in tools and home improvement or need a reliable edge for daily tasks, this knife is built to perform. Select the department you want to search in and experience the difference. Trust Kershaw for innovation, strength, and everyday readiness, your go-to tool for any challenge. Number 2. Spyderco Tenacious Compact EDC Folding Knife. The Spyderco Tenacious stands out among compact EDC folding knives for its unbeatable balance of durability, performance, and value. Crafted with a rugged 8cr13 MOV stainless steel blade and a textured G10 handle, it offers superior grip and corrosion resistance, outperforming competitors in its price range. Its signature round hole allows for easy one-handed opening, while the secure liner lock ensures safety during use. Ideal for everyday carry, the Tenacious excels in cutting tasks where precision and reliability matter. Whether you're in tools and home improvement or need a dependable backup, this knife delivers Spyderco's legendary quality at an accessible price. Choose the Tenacious, where toughness meets everyday practicality. Number 1. CIVIVI C18026C 1 Mini Praxis EDC Knife. Compact, capable, and crafted for everyday carry, the CIVIVI C18026C 1 Mini Praxis EDC knife stands out among similar tools with its premium 9cr18 MOV steel blade and ergonomic G10 handle. Designed for precision and durability, it outperforms competitors in edge retention and grip comfort. Whether you're slicing, cutting, or opening packages, this knife delivers reliable performance. Ideal for outdoor enthusiasts, professionals, or anyone needing a dependable blade, the Mini Praxis combines sleek design with rugged functionality. To move between items, use your keyboard's up or down arrows. Select the department you want to search in, tools and home improvement, for the best in everyday carry gear. Elevate your EDC with CIVIVI's trusted craftsmanship. Thanks for watching. Check the links in description to find these products on Amazon.